beautiful people! Look what I have! A package from the Philippines! Wow! So, the inside of this, the items are from Philippines. So, I just want to say thank you very, very much to Irene Ann from my friend from Gradacha. She's a Filipina living here in Bosnia, and to her two nieces. I'm not sure what's their names, but they're the ones who brought these items here. And of course to my Manoi Loy, who paid for these items in Philippines. So, you know, it needs to have cash when buying this in Philippines. And I don't have account in Philippines. I don't have GCash and other ways to, you know, if I send money, it will be too much for the Western Union and all. But my Manoi, for this item, so my Manoi said he will take over. So he was the one who paid for this. So thank you, Manoi. And thank you, Irene. Thank you to your two nieces. Thank you, Kaayo. So, look, I have package from Philippines. Yeah. I'm so excited to open this. So these are some snacks and supply that I need. So I could not ask for too much because, you know, it's only small luggage when they fly, when they travel. And but look, it's still a big package. My God, Irene, thank you, Irene. I'm gonna open this now. Just put the camera in rear mode because I'm only one here. I don't have a tripod. I'm using my regular phone. So I will open this now. And by the way, my Manoi is so alert because it's a late notification for me to tell him about this pasabay. But, you know, he's alert to help me with this thing even though there's short notice because Irene was not sure that time yet, you know, if the nieces can really do the pasabay. So, but here they are. My God, let's open it. Wow, it's really nicely packed. Thank you, Irene. Hello to Amber. Amber is Irene's daughter, same age like Sophia also. Wow, I see something already. Yui. Oh. Okay. Wow, look. So, there's a wishi. I didn't ask for a wishi, but there's a wishi. Yay. And wow, the boy bawang I've been asking in Combi. So, let's open. Wow, a wishi. Charan, boy bawang. Adobo flavor. This is, I think, garlic. A butter flavor. Wow. And this is Combi. Wow. Yay, I've been craving for Combi and here it is. It's here in Bosnia. Yay. And wow, yes, this boy bawang again. Hot garlic flavor. I'm really craving for boy bawang. So, chewy choco. So, I miss chewy choco. I want my kids to try them. This Filipino item snacks, I want them to try. Wow, there's also magic syrup. Wow. Yay. I don't think I asked for magic syrup, but there's magic syrup included. Yay, thank you. Oh, there's also eggnog. I didn't ask for eggnog also. My goodness. Wow, thank you, Irene. I can smell the buwad. Wow, buwad. Wow, smells so good. The camera stopped. So for the locals here, it smells bad for them, but for me, it smells so good. Look, what's this? Danggit or? I think there's danggit also. Oh my God, this will be my lunch today. Yay! And what's this? Oh, jelly Ace! There's jelly Ace. I'll give it to the Natalia and Sophia. Coffee. I've been craving for coffee also. I asked them for coffee. So, there's Mamacita's Menudo Afritada mix. Another one. Sinigang. Sa Sampalok. What's this? Is this Yema? I think it's Yema. And jelly Ace. Crispy fry. Yeah, crispy fry. Wow, here it is. I've asked for great taste. Look, it's different when it's coffee from Philippines. Oh my god, this is 1 dozen. Great taste. Yay! And oh, there's the crispy fried original with gravy mix. Wow, it's so nice. Oh, there's many of this. Oh, for kids. Ooh. Cream. Oh, crinkles. Yay! So all yummy. And of course the bihon. Yay! So we can make pancit. That's it. Look. Wow, it's a lot. Yeah, thank you. Irene, Manoi, thank you. Look, these are all what I have. Thank you. Yay, new supply. I'm going to really enjoy it. Like, save it and make sure it will last for a long time. Susulitin kada gamit. Thank you. It's very rare for me to have packages, you know, coming from Philippines and Filipino items. So it may be nothing for others, but it's really hard for me here in Bosnia to have this. So I'm very, very happy and grateful. Thank you, Manoi. Thank you, Irene. Thank you to your 2 nieces for bringing this here. Oh my God, humot kaayo. Smells good. Look, oh my God. My God. I will have to eat this now right away. I'm gonna cook rice and gonna eat this right away. Buad 2 ka klase. Thank you, Irene. Muto eh. Gutom na noon ko. Naglaway na. My God. Look, I just had a very quick cooking. I could not wait anymore. And there's bahaw. There's little leftover rice. So I'll have quick lunch. Not lunch, snacks. Actually, it's around 1 here. And lunch here is 3, 4. So, and we're gonna attend a birthday party later for our godchild. So we're gonna have, but I could not wait. So I really need to eat this now. Ayuy. I fried it a little bit, and it's suka, vinegar, and rice. So let's eat. Ta-da! I don't know. I have only front cam. I don't know. It's fitting there. And look, soak in vinegar. I'm going to do it by hand. People here doesn't like it, but you need to wash your hands. Eat it like this. It's our way of culture eating this boiled in Philippines. Let's eat. So good. It's different when it's from Philippines. I make homemade buwad here with the frozen fish, but it's okay. But it's still different when it's coming from Philippines. There's something special when it's coming from Philippines. Here's Nato. She arrived. Mommy eating bread fish. Mommy open. Just now. This snacks. This is not part of the when I asked to buy, but Irene put some jelly ace, and it's perfect for the kids. Some snacks I really buy for kids, so they can try like this. Nato. Lepo. Yummy. Maka eating it. Like it. She likes it. Taco. Tali eating jellies and I'm eating buwad. I'm almost done with my food. She's playing outside, though it's so dirty. Wow, your smile, oh. Talia eat everything. Tisama ay. Dishi. Bako na to, bako. Yummy! Yummy! Okay, so I finished my food. That's all. No more. Yay. No more. Thank you. Yay. She's enjoying it. It's called Jelly Ace. It's mommy's snacks when I was little. That's what I like eating ate before.
Yes, I'm eating this. How this? What's that?
Like that, yes.
Can you open it for me?
Yeah, let me open it.
It's chink. I like chink.
Push like this. Like this. Here, push. Good? Good? This Natalia is enjoying a lot. Chewy
So good.
Choco. So good. It's called Chewy Choco. Chewy Choco. Mommy likes it also before a lot. I eat it a lot when I was little. Natalia, oh my god, she finished the jelly ace. She liked the jelly ace. Huh? Your hair lang ga. Should tie your hair anato, ate. Only this left, no more. Finish everything. Don't worry, there's more chewy choco, ate. She likes the chewy choco. Natalia likes the jelly ace so much. And the jelly stick. We'll try more snacks later. I will let you try another snack later. Okay? Different kind.
Just one.
My girls eating Filipino snacks. Mommy's childhood snacks, favorite snacks.
Wants to do everything.
Okay, next is crinkles.
Mommy, I want pickles.
Okay, share to your sister, ate. Give Natalia one. Nato, sit down, Nato.
Oh God. It's two now.
It's two, yeah, three inside there. You have two. Okay. Let me know if it's yummy or what. If you like it. It's good?
It's like shine.
Mommy one. Yummy. Good.
This was pink.
Again, thank you so much, Irene, Manoi. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next video.